Hey everybody, how are you doing on this wonderful day? We're going to talk about more tools on this program called pixler.com/E. Pixlr E. So with that much said, we've gone over a lot of the different tools, the eraser tool, the fill tool. Now we're going to go over, no, it's the draw tool. Sponge tool here. All right, so sponge tool is great for touching up photos or drawings and whatnot. You can see this drawing here that I did years ago. And we're going to hit vibrant. So it's going to make the colors more vibrant. So you get a difference between vibrant and saturation. Saturation is how rich the colors are. Vibrant is more like, how bright, intense the colors can be. So you can see here, you got the hair. Whoa, she is more of a redhead uh, than ever. Look at, and it just kind of like just making those shadows more intense, more vibrant. If we go to the saturation part of it here, he's already got kind of a red face, but man, look at that now. It is more red. Earthworm Jim, how you doing, buddy? There we go. All right, and temperature, I don't know what it really does. It kind of changes the hue a little bit, but I'm assuming it's going to warm it or cool it up. Don't really know much about the temperature, but we have the strength here. That's how strong it is. You can see it's on the right-hand side. The number is 98. You know that it's at a high strength. We can take it down to a low strength so the color change is more subtle. We also know if we click on this one, we're going to have all different kinds of brushes, just like we had before, and that we can manipulate this and say have new brushes to your liking. All right. Now we have the decrease over here. So if we're going to decrease, it's going to do the opposite. It's going to take that temperature away. So see, changes it kind of back to where it was, but I'm not seeing a decrease in anything else here thus far. But we got saturation here. Boom, turns everything black and white. Really kind of awesome if you have a photo and you get like an apple in your hand and you want to just do like a color dodge and just make it black and white while the rest of the color is in color, like mind blows kind of stuff, or vice versa, whatnot. So that's pretty cool. And then the vibrance, it takes the vibrance away. So boom, look at this, mutes the colors. This she's gray now. Things are getting lighter. They're not looking as vibrant. Oh, look at that! Just erased all that red. And you can set that at different strengths. Now the other thing that we got here is called a dodge or burn. So we're going to darken or lighten. Let's see here. Let's go to Sean Palak with Hamburger Time. I do like that character I drew. It's pretty awesome. All right, so we got darken or lighten. So we can hear lighten. And look here. Wow, look it up there. You see it? I think I've heard that before. Shadows, midtones, highlights. So exactly what it does is going to lighten up the midtones. So boom, see how it lightens up those midtones? Oh, great. Highlights. It's going to make it even brighter. Look how bright that makes that. It's going to lighten up the shadows. Watch this. Shadows being lightened. Look at, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Look how it lights up that dark, ominous castle in the background. Yeah, that's what it does. It's good for like maybe toning photos and so forth. We got darken, so darken's going to do the exact opposite. Wow, see, things got darker. His hat got darker. His skin tones got darker. Everything got darker because it's darkening up what it considers the shadows. And midtones, it's going to darken up those midtones, make them more rich. Yes, rich midtones. And then the highlights, it's going to tone that brightness down, kind of mutes it a little bit. So my time has ended. It's going almost 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes by my count. I should be getting a little warning here soon that I'm running out of time. Oh, tells me I want to get premium. Right here, recording 27 seconds. These are the other tools that you can use at your disposal that you can play around with. I don't think I'm going to assign them as an assignment, but they can be handy and make your artwork, accentuate your artwork a little bit better than most tools. So I'm going to lose time in 9 seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I was a little bit more entertaining, a little more spunk, and I hope you hit that like button.